In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and select Add Emergency Contact. Now tap on the chosen one and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of your contacts, hit this red button next to the chosen one. Lastly, make sure that this option Show Info when locked is enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!